Beneath our feet lies a hidden world, alive with earthworms, nature's original soil engineers. Their tunnels aerate the ground, letting roots breathe and water flow, creating the foundation for healthy gardens. Yet many gardens lack these vital creatures, despite added fertilizers and soil turning. The real reason? Earthworms follow the trail of microscopic life, bacteria and fungi breaking down organic matter. If your soil lacks this microbial feast, worms simply won't stay. To invite them back, we must feed the soil's smallest inhabitants, not just the plants. The secret isn't in fertilizer, but in nurturing the ancient partnership between microbes and worms. To attract earthworms, think like one. They're not after fertilizer. They're after a thriving microbial buffet. Compost helps, but it takes time for microbes to multiply and draw worms in. Enter the soaked seed trick. Soak grains or beans in water, and they release sugars and enzymes. This liquid isn't for plants, but for microbes, an instant energy drink for the soil's smallest workers. Pour it on your garden and microbial life explodes. Earthworms sense this surge and follow the trail drawn to the feast. It's a simple, natural way to trigger a powerful response. By feeding microbes, you send out a signal that brings earthworms back. Nature's engineers return, ready to transform your soil. Making this microbial attractant is easy. Use whole untreated grains or beans, oats, barley, wheat, corn, lentils, never oily or chemically treated seeds. Place 1 cup of seeds in a jar, add 10 cups of non-chlorinated water and cover loosely. Let it sit for 24 to 48 hours at room temperature. The water will turn cloudy and smell earthy, proof the process is working. Strain out the seeds, add them to compost or feed birds. The remaining liquid is your concentrated microbial stimulant. This simple brew jumpstarts soil life, making your garden irresistible to worms. No special tools, no fancy ingredients, just a little patience and nature's own recipe. With this, you're ready to awaken your soil. To use your brew, dilute 1 part liquid with 4 parts water. Water it onto the soil around your plants, focusing on the root zone. No digging needed, just let it soak in. Apply in the early morning or evening to prevent evaporation. Before a light rain is ideal, helping the solution reach deeper layers. Within hours, microbes feast and multiply. In days, earthworms sense the bounty and migrate in. You may not see them right away, but they're tunneling toward the banquet. This simple act sets off a chain reaction, transforming your soil from the ground up. The result? Healthier plants, richer earth, and a thriving underground community. The soaked seed method is a fast-acting boost, not a replacement for compost. Use it every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season for best results. Don't overdo it. Gentle, regular applications keep the balance right. This technique works anywhere for any gardener, with simple, affordable ingredients. By feeding microbes, you attract worms who aerate, enrich and transform your soil. The result is living earth, moisture retentive, resilient and full of life. With this simple trick, you restore a vibrant ecosystem beneath your feet. Healthy soil, thriving plants and a legacy of abundance, all from a jar of soaked seeds.